Okay, this is called creating and using a template. So watch what I've got. I've got a slide and it's got all this stuff, but what I'm really interested in is the purple, green, flowery. All right, so watch what I do. Okay, and here's the objective. I want to use this green, flowery slide as a theme, which means I want to use it over and over and over again. So watch what I do. Step number one, I click on my home tab, I go to editing, select pane. This pops up. Okay, so let's see, text box. I want to get rid of this text box. Do I? Yeah, get rid of it. You may or may not, but I'm going to. And then the picture is my logo. Get rid of it. Picture 2, click delete. So I got the white slide, I got the flowers, purple part, purple, green. Okay, great. Okay. So I want to be able to use this quite often. Let's save this as a template. File, save as. Let's give it a name. I want to call this flowery green purple with white slide. Give it a name. Here where it says PowerPoint presentation, click the down arrow and choose template. See here, right here, PowerPoint template .potx. Click it, and it's going to save it in a very special spot. It's going to, don't change it. It's going to save it right here, which is good. And then let's choose save. Okay, and now let's close. Perfect. So let's say it's a month later. You're going to make a PowerPoint presentation and you're thinking to yourself, I want to use the flowery green purple background. Okay, this is called opening a template. Step number 1, file, new. Click down here where it says custom. Notice it says custom office templates. Double click. And here is your flowery green purple with white slide. Double click. It opens up, and now you can create all the slides you want. You can right click, duplicate, etc., using the background that you like. And that's it.